back. You're watching the morning news show right here on CNN News 18, and we're taking you to news surrounding the Mahakumbh Mela, only a few days away right now. Politics taking place over invitations, with the Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav criticizing the UP government and Yogi Adityanath for inviting leaders to the Mahakumbh, essentially saying that people come to Kumbh out of their own faith and the BJP is politicizing it. Now the BJP has hit back at him. We'll just play out this interaction and then we'll go back to our reporters.
कुंभ का सवाल तो है ही तैयारी का सवाल, और मैं आपको बता दूं, कुंभ में निमंत्रण नहीं दिया जाता है। कुंभ में अपने आप लोग आते हैं, आस्था से आते हैं। हालांकि मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूं। जो हम लोगों ने अपने धर्म के बारे में सीखा, समझा और पढ़ा है वो यही है कि ऐसे आयोजनों में लोग स्वयं आते हैं। जो वहां करोड़ों लोग आएंगे, क्या उनको निमंत्रण दिया जाता है? वो अपने आप आते हैं। तो इस समझ लो, ये सरकार अलग तरह की है, अब आप हमसे बेहतर जानते हो।
वो आम तो अगर वो नहीं चाहते थे कोई आवे तो इसमें उनका कसूर है। योगी जी चाह रहे हैं सब लोग आए, सब धार्मिक बनाए, ये उनका कर्तव्य परायणता है, और उन्होंने नहीं बुलाए, ये उनकी कर्तव्यहीनता थी। उनको करना चाहिए था, नहीं किया, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते थे। उनके पिछली सरकारें नहीं चाहती थी कि लोग आए, इसलिए किसी को नहीं बुलाना चाहते थे। लेकिन बगैर बुलाए कुंभ तो हजारों हजार साल का है, लोग आते थे, आए। अब ये नए नए आयाम जो हो रहे हैं, नई नई व्यवस्थाएं हो रही कुंभ में, तो इसको देख के पूरी दुनिया अचंभित है। इतना बड़ा जमावड़ा, इतने बड़े लोग और इतनी चीज को आयोजन के लिए एक इतनी बड़ी व्यवस्था की है सरकार ने। मैं समझता हूं कि सरकार ने कई रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हैं।
अखिलेश यादव जी के पास कोई नीति एजेंडा नहीं है। कुंभ महाकुंभ कोई साधारण आयोजन नहीं है। दुनिया के लोग आ रहे हैं। पिछली बार 25 करोड़ लोग आए थे, इस बार 45 करोड़ से अधिक लोगों की आने की संभावना है, और बहुत बेहतर, सुव्यवस्थित, सुंदर, अलौकिक महाकुंभ होने जा रहा है।
Let's go over to our colleague Pallavi to understand more. Pallavi, before the break, we were also touching on this story in that this comment was made by Akhilesh Yadav, as we said, over the weekend. Can you just tell our audiences, who have these invitations been given out to, that we're now seeing the Samajwadi Party now make these allegations?
So there have been invitations which have been given to some politicians. There have been given invitations which have been given to, for example, chief ministers as well. And that's what is coming in from Akhilesh Yadav. And we were talking about this a short while back. The similar kind of a complaint as it was done during the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha, that these are things to do with astha and religious feelings. Why do you need to send out invitations? People have always been going to Kumbh from across the country, some coming in from abroad. And, people want to be a part of it. You don't need an invitation to go there. But if you're giving an invitation, it clearly means that the government wants to take ownership. The government is making it out to be an event which is being organized and held by them, and which is incorrect, and which is, of course, trying to score a political point. And that's the objection which is coming in from, say, Akhilesh Yadav.
Can you also tell us, Pallavi, the essential allegation here by the Samajwadi Party is also that, as you said, it's being used for political points. The comparison being made here is to Ram Mandir and the inauguration of Ram Mandir. They're essentially alleging that the same was done with Ram Mandir. Do they have any ammunition when they make such an allegation, though?
See, these are politics, and both the sides will make their points, and both of the sides will think that their points are valid. The reason why Congress had boycotted the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha was on this ground that, it's the BJP government event. We don't want to be a part of the event. We'd go to a Ram Mandir when we want to go, because Ram doesn't belong to any one political party. That's, I think, Akhilesh a balancing act when he's trying to make the point that, this is Kumbh has got nothing to do with the government inviting people. I want to go, I'm going to go on my own. Similarly, people don't have to seek anyone's permission. Yes, it's the duty of the state government to ensure that there is foolproof arrangement, law and order is intact. But beyond that, there are no ones to give invitations to people to come.
Okay, Pallavi, thank you for painting the picture for us in terms of exactly what is taking place in preparations for the Mahakumbh, the politics that we're watching playing out. Let's take you now from this story to an